This tutorial is going to show you how to mark a student writer as missed when they do not come to their appointment as scheduled. So for example, let's say that it is Wednesday, September 5th, and it is 4:15 p.m. That is 15 minutes after the scheduled time that this person who has scheduled to see Jennifer has not shown up. So 15 minutes after the beginning of the consultation time, if they do not come, go ahead, click on the box, the appointment box, go down and go to admin options and click missed, and then go ahead and save the changes. What will happen then is we'll mark them missed in the system, and when it comes to missed appointments, students who are what we call no-call, no-shows that do this, but they don't cancel their appointment but do not show up, they will be locked out of the system after 3 times this happens. So once you marked someone as missed, you are free to take a walk-in for the rest of the time. If you have any questions, please let me know.